Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Agus Pikandur. So basically, this like the third presentation that I'm gonna do. So basically, I have done two presentation before. It was actually like the part of the morphology, and tonight I'm not gonna talk about morphology, or I'm not gonna present about morphology anymore, because I'm gonna actually take about my part from Scientech. It is actually like the continue between the science tech and also like the last material that I have present before, which is like a morphology. So yeah, tonight I'm gonna actually present about my presentation, and these are some of my explanation and also like my slides, and I'm gonna actually like do for two kind of the languages, which is English and also Indonesian language. So yeah, let's have a look. Okay, so let me actually show you the first slide, which is Scientech. And actually, before I get started, to tell you about my part in Scientech lesson, I'm gonna actually tell you what is actually Scientech. So basically, as you may already know, like Scientech is a part of the linguistic, and Scientech is actually study of the rules governing the way words are combined to form sentences in the language. If you actually look at my slide, I have given like a three kind of the examples with that. For number one is actually garden, the, and also children's are, and work in. So basically, they actually have like the companion, uh, based on like the function, and also today, what I've told before, today I'm gonna talk about my presentation from Scientech, which is structure. So basically, it's really simple actually about my purpose about this material. It is actually just like what Scientech structure is and what the rules that determine Scientech structure are like. So yeah. If you actually look at the next slide, there is actually like a sentence structure I have given. For example, like the sentence that I have given to you, which is like the child found the puppy. So the child found the puppy. I'm already actually defined about the sentences, how that the sentences could be one sentence with grammatically, and if we actually divide it, we can look at like the child. The word the child is a obviously subject, and found the puppy is actually predicate. If you actually look at the division below, there are like a three kind of the division that have defined, which is the child, font, and the puppy. So basically, there are which is they have already like explanation, which is the child is a subject, font is a verb, which is like the verb to from find, and also the puppy is actually direct object. Okay, next slide. Sentence structure. So basically, after actually like the sentence I have told you before, it was actually like the continue from the slide, which is like the sentence the child from the puppy. So focus on that. You're gonna look at the sentence like the complete sentence. So these are some of like element of the diagram, which is like a tree diagram, and I'm gonna tell you actually the element of this. And if you look at actually the sentence the child found the puppy, uh, it is actually called root in Scientech, which is entire sentence. So it's like the complete sentence. But before that, if you wanna divide that into like the two, uh, which is like a two explanation, which is like the element of that word. For example, like the child, based on the slide, the child, and also found the puppy, like the division, like the division of that, we can call it a lives in Scientech, which is like individual words. And next, if you want to define more specifically, for example, like the child, which is defined two word, the, and also child, and also found the puppy, defined two words, which is like a found and also the puppy. Um, all these words actually like we can call hierarchical structure, which is like groupings. And the last one, the puppy, you can look at actually the puppy. we can divide into like two words again, which is the and also puppy. So basically that one it's called constant tune structures. So that is actually my explanation for English, and I'm gonna actually tell you in Indonesian language, which is bahasa Indonesia. So here we go. Oke, baiklah saya akan menjelaskan dalam bahasa Indonesia. Jadi sebelumnya saya telah menjelaskan dalam bahasa Inggris. Kali ini saya telah mengambil bagian dari mata kuliah Morfosaintek, and which is the second part. Jadi bagian kedua yaitu Saintek, dan Saintek yang saya dapatkan untuk kali ini atau bagian yang saya dapatkan di materi Saintek adalah structure. Dan before I'm gonna start with that, sebelum saya berbicara tentang apa itu structure, which is apa sih penjelasan dari structure yang akan saya jelaskan, sebelumnya kita harus mengetahui terlebih dahulu apa sebenarnya itu Saintek. Jadi, Saintek adalah studi peraturan yang mengatur kata-kata dalam membentuk suatu kalimat dalam bahasa Inggris. Jadi, kalau misalkan kita kembali ke slide yang telah saya jelaskan dari contoh sentence structure. Jadi di situ saya telah menaruh satu sentence atau satu kalimat, yaitu the child found the puppy. Jadi let me actually explain with this. Di sini sebenarnya kita cuma divide atau membagi, which is dari kalimat the child found the puppy itu sebenarnya terbagi atas dua kalimat. Kalau kita ingin menjelaskan secara structure, yang pertama yaitu the child atau berfungsi sebagai subjek, dan juga found the puppy yang berfungsi sebagai predikat. Tapi kalau misalkan kita ingin menjelaskan lebih spesifik lagi, kita bisa membaginya sebenarnya dalam tiga bagian seperti slide yang saya tunjukkan yang di bawah. Jadi kita bisa membagi dalam tiga kata, yaitu yang kata pertama yaitu the child, which is subject, dan found, which is verb. Jadi found itu adalah verb 3 dari atau verb 2 dari kata find, dan juga the puppy yaitu direct object. Dan selanjutnya, jadi kalau misalkan kalian agak sedikit ke distract tentang penjelasan saya tentang sentence structure yang bentuk diagram pohon ini. Jadi diagram pohon ini bertujuan untuk memberikan penjelasan atau memberikan lebih spesifik istilah-istilah atau term dalam pembagian kalimat yang telah saya jelaskan, yaitu kalimat the child found the puppy. Jadi kita bisa lihat di sini dalam bentuk kalimat tersebut, which is like the entire sentence atau keseluruhan sentence itu atau keseluruhan kalimat tersebut, which is the child found the puppy, itu kita bisa menyebutnya dalam Saintek yaitu root. Jadi istilahnya adalah root. Sedangkan setelah pembagian kedua bagian, yaitu bagian dari the child and also bagian untuk found the puppy, itu kita bisa memberikan istilah dengan kata leaves atau individual words. Selanjutnya, kalau misalkan kalian ingin more specifically untuk membagi kata tersebut, kalian bisa membagi dari kata the child menjadi dua bagian kata, yaitu the and also child, dan juga dari kata found the puppy menjadi dua bagian kata, yaitu found and also the puppy. Dan istilah dalam bahasa Inggris atau dalam Saintek yang bisa kita sebutkan yaitu hierarchical structure atau grouping. Jadi jika kalian melihat kata yang terakhir dari pembagian kata the puppy, which is the last element, itu kita bisa membagi dalam dua bagian, yaitu dari kata the and also kata puppy. Dan istilah tersebut kita bisa memberikan istilah dalam Saintek yaitu constraint structure. Dan terima kasih telah memberikan materi ini. I'm super excited actually to be having about this the third presentation, I mean. And let me actually close about this presentation with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I'll see you then.